What's up, money growers? So I got a cool video for you guys today talking about Navy Federal Credit Union and their Platinum credit card that they offer. So this is going to be a little shorter because this card doesn't have quite as many benefits as the other, but it has one big important benefit if it fits what you need in the credit card world. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Let's jump into this. Now, benefits of this card: the Platinum card has 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 12 months. After that, you're going to get a standard variable APR between 5.99% and 18%. Cool thing about this is just like this card, there's no balance transfer fees. So this is really what it's meant for. People love this because the no balance transfer fee and the 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 12 months. Now, this offer is listed currently as expiring on January 3rd, 2022, but this is the exact same promo they ran before. So this one, I don't see that there's really a whole lot they can change with this card. So after January 3rd, 2022, do not be surprised if you wind up seeing the exact same promo again. Now, benefits continued, of course, are the low interest rate on this card. That's why people like it, okay? It's a balance transfer card, so that's what it's ideal for. Now, here's something cool that you can do, and you can actually, I did a whole video talking about this. You can basically kill two birds with one stone in this sense. You can basically get 2 sign-up bonuses for just using one hard inquiry with Navy Federal. Now, I put that here in this third point because what you can do is you can sign up for, another card if you want. Get that sign-up bonus and then change it over to the Platinum card. So say you want to do another card where you get $100 cash back after spending $2,000, or I think the Flagship card is after you spend $4,000 in 90 days, then you get $400 cash back. It varies. The offers change from time to time. But let's say you do that. Let's see, those are the numbers. You get the Visa, say you get the Flagship card. You get that cash back bonus. You have the amount to spend. You spend it. You hit that cash back bonus in the first month. Well, then you can switch over. You can switch to the Platinum card. And because this Platinum offer is for 12 months of, let's go back, 12 months of 0% intro APR on balance transfers, you can now use 11 months of that promo on this card. So you get the sign-up bonus on one card and then switch it over and take advantage of the sign-up bonus on this card if you want. Now, it does not work the other way around, okay? If you try it on this card, you use the 12-month promo on here, you switch to any other card Navy Federal has, it's usually only a 3-month promo. So if you want to use another card, get the bonus and then switch over to this card. This can be great for you if you want to do that double dip. Now, important points to remember. Hard pulls, which you're typically going to get from TransUnion with Navy Federal, 90% of the time, and then 10% is Equifax. Although one other rep did tell me that's usually about 50-50. So kind of depends on who you talk to. And of course, things can always change over time with any institution. But it seems like you're most likely going to get, a hard pull, but it's most likely going to be from TransUnion. The maximum limit on this card is $50,000, which is the same for all Navy Federal Credit Union unsecured cards except for the Flagship. The Flagship goes up to $80,000. If you are approved for this card, so you do the application online, they will mail you the card in 7 to 10 business days. If you're not sure that you're going to qualify for this, you can go through the pre-qualification process on their website. It's real quick. It's real simple. It's stated income, and you can find out that way if you will qualify, if you can pre-qualify for this card. Now, credit limit increases. I have these notes here, but these numbers from another rep I talked to have changed maybe a little bit. So Navy Federal Credit Union will automatically review your card for a credit limit increase after your first year. Now, this is what I was told initially, but most recently, Lady Shia told me it's actually more like 6 months. So it could be a year, could be 6 months, but the process here is still pretty much the same. Now, at that mark, that's when they're going to review your card and increase it based on your info. Your info meaning your utilization rate, your on-time payments, etc. All those things that show you've been a good user of the card and you've been responsible financially. Now, when they review your card, it's going to be a soft inquiry. So whether they review it and they do not approve you for an increase, or if they review it and they do approve you for an increase, it's going to be a soft inquiry, so you do not have to worry about it affecting your personal credit score. Now, if you request before they go ahead and review it on their own, so whether that's 13 months, whether it's 6 months, whichever it is, then it's probably going to be a hard inquiry. That's probably what it's going to be. So I have heard of people that are doing, that are requesting after the 91-day mark, a credit limit increase, and it does go through as a soft inquiry. I've had a couple reps tell me that no, it's going to be a hard inquiry no matter what. But I did have one tell me that he said even over the phone, he goes, there's a chance it could be a soft inquiry. And then a lot of people say online, if you do it through the app or on the website, it will be a soft inquiry. So, different reps are going to tell you different things, but it sounds like you have a good chance of it still being a soft inquiry if you go through the app or the website. And then if you don't qualify for that increase after whether it's 13 months or 6 months, then Navy Federal will look every month to increase it for you. So that's one of the things about the credit union where they are a bit generous and they're a bit lenient, where they will, look to increase your limits for you and help you out in that regard. So Navy Federal Credit Union will review every 180 days. So again, a soft inquiry after that 13th month mark or 6th month, again, to raise your limit. And if you qualify, they will. And then again, if you request before then, some reps say it's going to be a hard inquiry no matter what, but there's people online and there's data points of people saying, nah, they've been able to get an increase and it's a soft inquiry. Credit limit increase continue. This is what a message I got from Navy Federal Credit Union. It says, you may apply for an increase to this credit limit at any time. However, Navy Federal typically requires a new account to be open at least 3 months before approving an increase to its credit limit. I have heard one person in the comments say that they applied for a credit limit increase before the 91 days and they were able to get it. So this is the 91-3 rule, right? Apply for credit limit increase after 3 billing cycles or 91 days. So if you want to play it kind of safe, you can do it that way, be a little more cautious. If you want to go before then from everything I've heard, it says it's likely you're going to get denied a credit limit increase, but I have seen one person who said no, they were able to get approved for an increase. And like I mentioned earlier, there's the rumor that applying online for the credit limit increase using the app or the online website will just result in a soft pull, and that over the phone it seems to be pretty much guaranteed a hard pull, although one rep was cool and he was like, it could be a soft pull. So kind of always playing a game, right? It's always a cat and mouse game. Now, keep in mind, you can only have 3 personal credit cards with Navy Federal Credit Union. They all have no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no cash advance fees. All except one have no annual fee. It's the Visa Flagship card that has an annual fee, but it's only $49. The rest of their cards have no annual fees. One of the big reasons why people love them is because you see all this no fees, no fees, no fees, no fees on these cards that Navy Federal oftentimes offers to people. And the last part, go ahead and subscribe to this video if you haven't done so yet, because this channel is growing. I'm working a whole lot to grow this channel. I enjoy helping you guys with this info, helping people build their credit and build their financial future. So if you think it was worth subscribing, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you watching and being so awesome, and I will see you again soon.